I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Favorbrite brand. The rechargeable LED camping lantern has 3000 milliamp power bank, 3 color temperatures, 4 light modes, and very unique because it has 4 folding panels. If you're into camping and you want to have something you could hang in your campsite or in your tent, I'm going to show you how this is the best product for that. Now this product gets excellent customer ratings. People really like this product. There's good reason. It's really well made. Comes with a real simple instruction telling you how to use it. It's got a couple interesting modes. Here is the cable. Comes with a USB-A to C. And really cool. I love the color. It's like a hunter green, a light hunter green. So there is the charging port, the C port right there, and above that is the USB-A where you could actually charge your mobile phone and netbooks, things like that. Take advantage of that 3000 milliamp hour battery inside there. Covered it up to seal it. This is a nice thick silicone holder on there. On the other side right here you have your power switch. When you first hit it, you get this nice concentrated focus beam, and you see on the table that a foot away it's about 4 inches, so it's nice and focused. Then you hit it again and it turns off. Now the reason why it turned off is because I waited more than 6 or 7 seconds, and then the power switch becomes like turning it off. If you pulse it immediately, it's going to go to the next mode. And there's where you got these cool LED panels. You hit it again, and because I waited so long, it went to the off mode. They do that so you don't have to step through all the features. You hit it again, and it goes to a warm light. One more time, it has a combination of both, and then off. Now here's the thing that's totally unique, I've never seen before. These panels ratchet down 90 degrees, and that is so cool. Then if you're in your tent and you put these panels on, you hang this from the top and you get beautiful even coverage. And you can even change the angle. Let's say you have your tent sides like that, where the sides are closer, you can do that and hang it perfectly. And it's just the right amount of brightness not to blind you at night. And then of course when you collapse them down, you can walk with it like this, also on your campsite like a lantern. Really impressed with that. And when you're running the device, it does have status LEDs right there. You can see those 4 blue LEDs letting you know when you need to charge it. And when you want to charge it, you just plug it into any standard USB-A, and then the port goes into the C port like that. And then if you turn the unit off, then you get status LEDs right there, and those status LEDs will breathe, and then they'll become all solid blue when it's done charging. And let's not forget about the power bank function. I'm using the charging cable in the reverse mode, plug it into the USB-A and the C into my Pixel 6, and I'm getting charging indication. So that's great. So not only can you use this as a camping light and a lantern, but you could also charge your mobile phone if you're out in the wilderness. Really great. Here I have a thermal camera. You'll see that my hand comes up as red, but the lantern is green because it's LEDs and they don't generate really much heat. All the energy is going into light, which is amazing. So what do I think about the Favorbrite? It's a rechargeable LED camping lantern with that internal 3000 milliamp hour power bank. There's 4 light modes and there's cool folding panels on here. I love this product. I'm impressed with the quality of it. It's really well built. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.